Using the same leverage on every trade is one of the reasons traders get liquidated in leverage trading crypto. In crypto leverage trading, adjusting leverage during a trade can help reduce liquidation risk. Let's use Margex as an example and break down how you can change leverage during an open trade in crypto leverage trading. Higher leverage means higher risk. Lower leverage gives your position more space. And on Margex, you can change leverage even during an open trade. Let me show you how to change leverage on Margex during an active trade. Here is my open position on Margex. This is the trade I already opened. You can see my current leverage right here in the position panel. To change leverage, click on the position icon. This opens the leverage adjustment window. Now move the slider to increase or decrease your leverage. Higher leverage means higher risk. Lower leverage gives your trade more space. Click Confirm. Margex updates your position instantly. Remember, adjusting leverage changes your liquidation price and your risk. That's how you change leverage on Margex during a trade. Follow us for more simple and smart crypto trading guides.